In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Airtable to PDF. This is really handy if you want to share your data with someone who doesn't use Airtable, attach a snapshot of your base to an email, or simply keep a static record for your files. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to quickly turn any Airtable view into a clean, printable PDF. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and open the base that contains the data you want to export. Once the base is open, you'll see the familiar Airtable interface with your tables along the top and your records in the main area. Now, look for the view bar near the top left of the screen. Airtable lets you switch between different ways of looking at your data, like grid, gallery, Kanban, and others. For exporting to PDF, you'll want to use the grid view, because it gives you a spreadsheet style layout that prints clearly. If you're not already in grid view, click where it shows your current view name, then select the grid view from the list. Your table should now appear as rows and columns, similar to a traditional spreadsheet. Before you export, this is a good moment to quickly scan your grid. Hide any fields you don't want to show, adjust column width so text isn't cut off, and make sure any important information is visible. What you see in this grid is essentially what will be captured in the PDF. Next, with your grid ready, look for the option to print this view. In Airtable, there's a print view or similar print option usually accessible from the view menu or from the interface controls near the top right of the grid. Click on the print view option. This will open a print preview window that shows how your table will look on a page. In this preview, you can usually adjust basic print settings such as orientation, margins, and scaling. Take a moment to make sure everything fits nicely on the page and that the text is legible. When you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and click on the print button. Your browser's print dialog will appear. Here's where you turn it into a PDF. Instead of selecting a physical printer, change the destination or printer option to Save as PDF, or a similar choice offered by your browser. Choose where you want to save the file on your device, give it a clear name so you can find it later, and then confirm to save. That's it. You've successfully exported your Airtable view to a PDF